Hey everybody, we're going to continue on with this reinforcing video that we've been working on. So now I want to show you how to create what we would call an assembly. That way we can probably get a lot of this done or basically detail the column. So now how you make assembly is, okay, under the modify tab you'll see this icon here that say create assembly on this tab, and that's basically telling you how to create. So I'm going to click that, and then you get this dialog box here where you add or remove elements into the assembly. So what's happening in the assembly is just actually, well, I'll do it this way because I should have probably isolated this. So let me try to do that right click. I'm going to cancel this out, cancel that, and I'm going to see if I can just isolate this, 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 and no, I don't want to do that. Sorry for the delay. But anyway, this is how you do this. You want to go here, you want to create assembly, and then I want to select. I wanted to isolate the column, but we can isolate it within this assembly, which is good. So I need to hit that cancel so I can get back. Okay. Now then again here in the view in the modify tab, on the modify you hit create assembly. And so what that does is, see, you hit add here, and basically what it does is I want anything I want in that assembly. So I'm going to add the rebar, I want the column, that's why you see it turns green, this rebar, this, I don't think I want to add that right now. And then when I get everything here I want, I'll just say finish. And then now here you get, this is the dialog blocks for the assemblies, because you can have multiple assemblies, and this kind of happens in the precast world. So we're going to leave this at that. It says 001, or you can actually say column. Well, structural column, that's what it is. So I'm going to say okay here. And now if you look in the project browser over here, this sort of just popped up. And this is basically the view or the views. So that's the structural column. And then here, you might want to right click this. And then it says create assembly views. So now you have this dialog box that'll open up. And you have the scale here. It's defaulting to a 1/2 inch, which is fine. And then you get all these different views for, you even get a schedule. So you can get all these different views for that particular column, and you can modify it and do whatever you want. So I'm going to say, I'm going to just take everything, even the schedule, even the rebar schedule. I'm going to say okay here. And there's one of our views. So if I go down into the project browser here, there are all those views. As you can see highlighted there, there's a detailed view. So I'm going to look at our 3D view here. That's the 3D view. I'm going to take it down on the wireframe and put that in hidden line. Interesting. Got a little something going on there. That back in the wireframe. So basically, I don't really, okay, this column is too big, too long. So what I need to do is make some adjustments there, but you get the idea. And then you got our detailed view here. Okay, put this on fine. Okay, I still don't see, oh, I didn't pick it up. So now basically what happens here, if you get a situation like this, we can go back into the 3D view, or we can go and edit this assembly. I don't think we got the footing. So I might want to go in, let me see how do you do this. I'm going to go to modify tab, select this guy. I missed that one. Okay. I just want to add to this assembly, and I'm going to add this. I'm gonna click finish, and I want to add it to O1 and say OK. So now let's go look at that 3D view. Okay, there's some wireframe. Let's go realistic here. Okay, for some reason I'm not picking up that view or that concrete on there. So I might have to look at that, but you guys get an idea how this works, basically. So you're just creating, let's see, there's your top elevation. That's the top of the column, the bottom. And so this basically produces views. So I'm gonna have to work on this and fix this up. You go back into our regular model. So something happened here, and then that's basically it. But that's how you create an assembly. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to bring another video back, probably just to show you how to make this work. Now you can make these guys do all these columns, believe it or not. So that's what I want. I want to do one assembly. If they're all the same, I can create them to make all one size. So anyway, guys, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to put this in shaded view, and I'm going to grab. I'm going to just tab here and select all instances. Okay, well, I'll do that later. I want to make this guy's light or transparent. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe and be safe. Bye.